In this video, I'm going to show you how to bleed the brake system on a Jeep Patriot. So before we get started, I'm going to take all the old brake fluid out. But while you're here, you might as well check your cap and see if it tells you exactly what brake fluid to put in. And this particular cap does not. So you're going to have to go refer your manual. It should be like a .3 or .4. Take the cap off, and I have like a little siphoner. You can use a turkey baster. Anything that you can get down in there to get the fluid out. And you're going to keep doing this till you get all the fluid out. So we're going to top off our master. Make sure the cap is on tight. The bleeding sequence for this Jeep Patriot is left rear first, then right front second, right rear third, and then you end at the left front. So we're at the left rear, and I'm going to tell my helper, go ahead and pump it up. I'm going to take our safety boot off, our clean boot. And then I have a little catch basin to catch that fluid. This is going to be an 8mm wrench. I'm just going to put it on there, then put our bleeder on. Opening. I'm going to close it up. Pump it up. Average standard is like 3 to 4 times before you see no more air bubbles.
Holding.
Opening. Closing it. Pump it up.
Holding.
Opening. I'm going to do it one more time. Closed. Pump it up.
Holding.
Opening. You see, oh, I just got air bubbles there. So I'm going to do it one more time. Closed. Pump it up.
Holding.
There we go. All right, you can pump it up, and then we're going to go to the right front wheel. Put my cover back on, and let's go to the right front. So I'm going to have my driver turn the wheel. Just turn it to the right a little bit so we can access it a little bit easier. Now I'm going to remove my boot, dust boot, keep that. And I'm going to put my 8mm wrench on. You can go ahead and pump it up. Put my catch basin on. And we're going to open the bleeder. Pump it up. Pump it up. Probably do this 2 more times. Closed. Pump it up. Pump it up. Okay, we're going to put our dust boot on. And now we're going to move to the right rear. But we're going to check the master first and top that off. So now that we've bled 2 wheels, we're going to check our master halfway through. Take that cap off, grab our fluid, and top it off. Now it's topped off. Put the cap back on, and we'll continue bleeding. Now our bleeding's all done. Pedal feels good, so we're going to top off our master and then road test it. Make sure the cap is on tight. When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.